Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do another Valentine's Day inspired look because I just got the Anastasia and Amrezy palette and it is so pretty, so I couldn't wait to play around with it. And I decided to go for this look because I love adding pops of color to the lower lash line, keeping the top more neutral. So I thought this would be perfect in case you're wanting to play around with some Valentine's Day colors but don't want to go too bold. So if you want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. So I went ahead and did my normal face routine, and normally I would have my brows done, but I'm using a new brow product today, so I thought that I would do it here on camera so y'all can see it. It's one of Tarte's new brow products, the Big Ego Brow Pomade, and I just love the packaging of this. And I've played around with it a little bit and I really like it because it's not as thick as other pomades and it looks very natural. And I'm going to be using their new brow brush that is retractable, so you just pull it up and then it has the spoolie on the other side, if it will focus. It's not focusing, but just a normal spoolie on the other side. So I've also been playing around with the colors, and I first used taupe, but I think it was still a little light and warm for me. So I'm trying the medium cool brown, and I really like that there are so many different color options. They also just came out with a double-ended brow pencil. So one side is a skinny pencil and then the other side is a tinted brow gel. Love this as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows really quick. So here's what my brows look like now that they're done using this product. As I mentioned before, it's not as thick as other pomades, so I like that it looks really natural, and a little goes a long way with this product, so it's going to last you forever. So let's go ahead and get started on the eyeshadow. So I'm starting with a shade called OG and just placing this right above my crease. This is going to be my transition shade, and I always like to build the color until it's as dark as I want, and then I go back with a clean fluffy brush just to make sure there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with the shade 1988 and placing this right in my crease, and I'm going to do the same thing, just build it and then go over it with a clean brush. For my lid, I used two different colors. I started off with the shade Anastasia, which is a really pretty rose gold, but I wanted it to be just a little bit lighter, so then I went in with the shade Wasted. You can do both like I did, or you can just do one or the other. Now for the fun part, I'm adding my pop of color all the way across my lower lash line. I love doing this, and I tell people all the time it's a great way to play around with color without going Mimi from Drew Carey. Some of y'all probably have no clue who that is, but anyways, I am using the shade Simsa, I think is how you pronounce it, but if you wanted it to be a little bit more pink, you could use the shade Reezy. Next, I'm going in with some mascara. I'm using my favorite, which is Maneater by Tarte, and if you want to glam up the look a little bit more, you can always add some false lashes. And to finish off the look, I'm using the Dose of Colors Velvet Mousse lipstick in the shade Truffle. So that completes this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. Even if you don't have any Valentine's Day plans, this would make a great girls' night out look or just a normal date night look. I love how it turned out. And if y'all did too, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make new videos every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.